Hello everybody, I'm going to show y'all a fun tutorial today using one of my Christmas digital backdrops. I already have my design actually in Canva, but what you're going to do is you're going to click on Create Design, you're going to click on Import File, and this is where you will select the digital file to upload it. However, I already have mine in here, so I'm going to click on it. You're going to put Use in a New Design. Custom size. This is going to size the photo to its already sized out dimensions here. Create design. Now, a lot of the things I'm going to do, I'm going to show you, I already have the picture saved, but I will tell you how to upload it yourself. So if you have this digital backdrop and you have your own family photo, your own kids photo, your own pet photo, whoever you're using to put in the photo today, you're going to click on Uploads, and then you're going to click on Upload Files. This is where you will select the image that you're going to be choosing in here. I'm actually going to go to my recently used pictures for this edit, and I think this one's really fun, so I'm going to do this here. So you're going to select your picture. You're going to make sure that it is selected with this purple border here. You're going to click Edit Photo, and then you're going to use Background Remover here. As a reminder, this is part of Canva Pro, this feature. However, you can do a free 30-day trial with Canva to be able to utilize this feature if this isn't something that you're going to be utilizing all the time. So that's a great option. So you're going to click on Background Remover. As you can see, it did a phenomenal job to remove that background. Small tip here is if you do have a photo that has things that has to be removed, then you're going to click again on Background Remover. It's going to take you into the picture where you can actually erase or restore areas. So if you notice that your picture is either missing portions of it and you need to restore those, you can do that here. Or you can erase if you have other things in the background going on that you want removed. So that's just a fun tip there. I'm going to show you how to take this digital backdrop up a little notch. So what we're going to do is we're going to make sure that we're good with the size of our picture here. Really, it's personal preference on how big or small you make the model in the picture. One more thing I am going to do on this one is I'm going to adjust the settings to make sure that it kind of matches the background a little bit more and make the picture pop a little bit. So we're going to click on Adjust. And as I've mentioned before in my videos, I like the auto adjust tool. However, it is not 100% every time. So you may use it and you may realize it did not make the picture as good as you may have wanted it. So you may have to adjust the settings additionally down here or completely not even use this tool. So I always like to try to start with it. I'm going to click it. It upped our vibrance a lot, and you can tell the saturation is higher. Sometimes I do like to come in and take those shadows down a little bit more. As you can see, this is where you're going to see the difference there. So because this is a cartoon backdrop, I like to make them feel also a little bit more bright and kind of cartoony along with this image. So in my preference for this, I like doing changing the shadows here. So something else that I wanted to show y'all that you can do additionally that's going to really make this photo feel fun and pop is you're going to you can add some snow. So how you're going to do that is you can search in the elements, falling snow. You're going to want to click on graphics because these are going to have transparent backgrounds. So as you can see, there are some that are moving. If you don't want the moving ones, you can come in here to the filter on your search and you click on static. After you do that, then it will take all the ones that are moving out of there and animated and just have the static ones. So really this part is to your liking. You pick your style, whatever really jumps out at you here in these pictures. I like it to be somewhat minimalistic because I don't want to take away from not only the scenery, but also the models in the picture. So I'm going to choose this one that's very light with snow, very small little specks. Something you're going to pay attention to is as you're expanding this over the picture is making sure that their faces are not covered with the snow. Now, you can do two different effects in this case with this snow. I think it looks really awesome with it falling over the subjects. However, if you want it to feel like it's more into the backdrop, you're just going to change the position here of the snow. You're going to go backward, and that's going to change the snow to be behind the subjects. So that is completely up to your own artistic eye. I like both, but I kind of was feeling the snow falling over them. So I think that looks fun. It looks like they're in the picture a little bit more immersed. But again, it's just up to you and your own artistic eye for this. So once you have your picture done, you're going to click on share. You're going to download. And as I mentioned before in my other videos, I suggest PNG files. They save as a higher quality file, which I do like a little bit better. And so again, I just am happy with that. But you can save it as a JPEG. You can choose the size of your file here. I usually do it at a 2 or a 3 all the way. Again, it's up to you on what size that you use or what you prefer. And then you're just going to click on download and you have your picture. So if you have any questions or comments about this, I'd love to hear about it. If you have any requests for videos, I would love to hear your request. Otherwise, I hope this video was helpful and you were able to create something fun yourself.